Doesn't want a fit body? Well, the first thing that comes to your mind that it is very difficult to acquire. The truth is that this process takes time and you should be very consistent. The regular exercising will help you to have the vitality and tone your body. The back is one of the most important parts of our body, and yet many of us tend to neglect it. It keeps us straight considering the modern life and the time we spend in front of the computer. So, we should not neglect it and perform back exercises as much as possible. For that purpose, we have 5 easy moves for your back. It is recommended to perform them a few times a week. 1. Forward bends. Put your hands on the floor, making sure you don't twist your knees. Stay in a straight position, then lean down more. Repeat this procedure 10-15 times. 2. Side bends. You should put your hand down using a dumbbell. Put the other hand on the back of your head. Move your arm by making short movements. Repeat this 15-20 times. 3. Bridge. Lie on your back and bend your knees. Put the palms of your hands on the floor above your head. Lift your body and your shoulders gradually and curve your back. Hold that position for a few seconds. Then, bring your body down to the floor gradually. This exercise is particularly beneficial for your back. 4. Bow stance. Lie on your stomach and grab your lower legs with your hands. Curve forwards and in reverse. Repeat this movement for 1 minute. 5. Superman posture. You should lie on your stomach. Lift your hands and make sure your legs remain still. It is recommended to repeat this procedure 15-20 times. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.